Yeah, so Digilogistics Center is a company from Estonia. We just celebrated actually today our fifth birthday, founded in 2020. But the team which has founded the company actually has worked together already since 2015. And the topic of eFTI or the ideas that are now formed into eFTI were circulated already as early as 2015, so 10 years ago. And Estonia overall has very well developed electronic governance ecosystem and digital society. And logistics is one of the topics which where Estonia would like to fully digitalize ecosystem as well. Obviously, Estonia alone cannot do it, so that we need all the countries in Europe and European Union to work together on this. And Digilogistika Center has been key partner in eFTI for EU and eFTI for all projects. We have consulted different stakeholders on matters of development of eFTI, including stakeholders in European Commission, other partners who have participated in eFTI programs, and also our Estonian government and ministries that are involved in developing this regulation. We have also played a very important role in helping and facilitating a number of companies in Estonia to start to basically define themselves as eFTI, future eFTI platforms, and to start to develop eFTI based future solutions for the market. And what we do currently for eFTI for EU and eFTI for all projects is quite a lot of technical development, also development of different documents and materials for eFTI regulation. If we talk about very clearly about the technical developments, then we recently set up a test bed for eFTI, where we have eFTI gate and respective connections where you can do testing between member states gates, and you can also connect eFTI platforms to those gates and do testing with the gates, and we support that process. And we also have our own development team who continuously develop technical solutions, because at the end of the day, I mean, eFTI is of course about regulation, about the documentation, about legislation, but it's also about the very concrete technology that has to work in order for this for eFTI to work, and in order for data to be transferred between commercial operators and competent authorities. And we also have this year very interesting project under execution, which is called Baltic Corridor project, where our ambition is to test eFTI in real life between multiple countries, with multiple operators, with multiple platforms on Via Baltica between 5 countries, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, and Poland. It's a very ambitious project involving then authorities from all those member countries, and also multiple platform operators and commercial operators. So we are currently underway of preparing for this pilot, and have intention to execute it early autumn this year. Yeah, so I just briefly described the most important projects that is under execution this year, which is Baltic Corridor project. We have another pilot project which we execute in the framework of eFTI for all, and this project is called Baltic Sea Triangle, where we want to test the carriage of goods between different ports and together with different shipping companies between the cities of Tallinn, Helsinki, and Stockholm. Because ferry transporting goods and trucks with ferries is a special use case for eFTI. It has its own own parameters. For example, we want to test consignment movement solution with this pilot, and with both pilots, with Baltic Corridor pilot as well as with the Baltic Sea Triangle pilot, we expect to understand better the possibilities of eFTI and also the limitations, and then how then data can be exchanged when we have multiple countries, multiple commercial operators, platforms, and also authorities involved.